addendum, Peter Joseph. That should be interesting.
There's a story I would tell.
Get out there on the web and let the Zeitgeist fans know that they'll get to hear my perspective on it. It's always good to have an open mind and have discussions and debates about things. Finishing up with technology, you see, it isn't that a cell phone in and of itself is evil. It's that they knew in the 80s when they deployed them, and there were studies, and we've covered those on air, that it was causing cancer in lab rats. And now there are literally more than 1,000 studies from universities and governments all over the world and in the United States saying, yes, a massive increase in brain tumors with substantive long-term 10-year use of cell phones. I mean, they have 10 and 20-year studies on this. And so am I a troglodyte? Am I someone who's afraid of technology? No, I love technology. It is neutral. It is how it is used. And so deploying that technology, it was known it was bad, and they just didn't care because they knew how profitable it would be. And MIT and others reported they knew it would be a great system to track and trace and tax the public. And that's what happened. Now, what do they do with the cell phone? They use it through satellite triangulation to the cell towers to track everywhere you go under Homeland Security, Act of 1996, the Telecommunications Act. And yes, folks, Homeland Security was first discussed in 1993. By the time they get around to telling you about something, it's already been around generally for more than a decade. Just like I told you, your driver's license was already a national ID card. I had the executive order from 1993. It's in my film from 1997. And I said, your license will still say Texas or Utah or Montana or Florida, but it will be nationalized. And then in 2000, it was internationalized and is already standardized worldwide in a worldwide database based in Brussels, another one in Zurich.